Hey YouTubers, it's Clara here. I took a hiatus for a while, but I'm back in action with a new DIY date ideas organizer. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so what you're gonna need is an accordion coupon organizer like this. And you're also gonna need index cards. Here's an example of an all year round date idea. And let's see what's inside. As you can see, I have each index cards in different categories, tabs. We have all year round dates, her home dates, his home dates, travel dates, public indoor dates, public outdoor dates, public group dates, private group dates, fall season dates, winter season dates, and spring season dates, and also, last but not least, summer season dates. So that's what we got there. You can also come up with your own ideas. You can look on Pinterest, or even if you have some that come to your mind, don't be afraid to write them down or even type them up like I did. So doesn't matter. And that's all I have today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos. So that's all for now. Bye-bye.